Hello children, Sai Ram. Welcome to the online classes. Today again we are going to revise Reproduction in Animals chapter 9. Today we will do the revision in part 4. Yes children? Okay. In the last class we were discussing about the animals that lay eggs and that also includes insects, right? And we also revised about the life cycle of cockroach, right? The different stages of cockroach life cycle and also of the frog, right? So now we will continue. We saw the life cycle of cockroach, right? So here is a small activity. In this you have to label the following diagram. Means this is the life cycle of a cockroach. And as I told you, you have to learn all the diagrams. Right children? Okay. So now we will label this life cycle. Okay. So this is the egg. Okay. This is a egg. Right? Here is a young cockroach which hatches out of the egg and it is called nymph. It is without wings. Okay, it is called nymph, right? And this is an adult cockroach. Adult cockroach. Okay, it develops the wings and this nymph sheds off its old skin, and that process, as I told you, and you must remember it, it is called molting. Yes children, so this is how we label the diagram of a life cycle of a cockroach. Look here, right children? Okay, yes. Now further we will revise about the life cycle of a butterfly. Okay, so this also comes under the animals that lay eggs. It also reproduces by laying eggs. Okay, and there are 4 stages in the life cycle of a butterfly, right children? So what happens? First of all, eggs are laid, as you can see in the first diagram here. First place, these are the eggs which are laid. Okay, and out of the egg the caterpillar hatches out. Okay, this is a caterpillar. Okay, you can say this is number 2. Okay, so out of the egg caterpillar hatches out. Caterpillar eats leaves and grows quickly. Okay, it then forms a shell called chrysalis. Okay, chrysalis around its body, and this stage is called the pupa stage. This one. Okay, this you can say it forms a chrysalis around its body, and this is the pupa stage. And inside the chrysalis, means it is a covering. Okay, and inside the chrysalis the caterpillar grows and slowly changes its shape. Okay, and then it comes out of this covering and an adult butterfly is formed. Okay, so this is how a butterfly comes out of the chrysalis, or you can say is developed out of the pupa stage. Okay, see here I will show you. See here. Once again the caterpillar forms a shell called the chrysalis around its body. This stage is called the pupa stage. Inside the chrysalis, the caterpillar slowly changes shape and an adult butterfly finally comes out of the chrysalis. See, here is the pictures. Look here. Nicely it is given here. First one is the egg. You can see this is the egg. This is the egg. Okay. And then caterpillar. You can see the caterpillar on a leaf, right? So it grows eating the leaves, right? And then it forms a covering around itself, and this is the pupa. Okay, and out of the pupa an adult butterfly comes out, right children? These are the different stages of butterfly, life stages of butterfly, right? This is how an adult butterfly is formed, right? Okay. Now, see here. Based on the life cycle of a butterfly, we will do this small activity. Okay. Here are the pictures of different stages of a butterfly, and you have to name it, right? The names are given in the box here, right? So these are the eggs. Okay, we will match it with eggs. Then is the caterpillar. This is the caterpillar. Then is the pupa. This is the pupa. And finally, this is an adult butterfly. Okay, these stages you should know very well. You should learn all these stages of the life cycle of a butterfly. Yes. Okay, here it is. Right? Eggs, caterpillar, pupa, and butterfly. You should learn all the names also nicely, correctly. Yes, children? Fine. Further, we are going to mark true or false. Okay, in this activity. So, we will discuss each one, and then we will say whether it is true or whether it is false. Right? Okay. Let us begin. So all animals feed their babies with their own milk. Now you know most of the things of this lesson, right? So now you will be able to answer depending on the revision which I have taken in the last few classes, right? So now you tell me, all animals feed their babies with their own milk, whether it is true or false. Yes, I'll give you some seconds to think, right? Fine. So I know now you must be ready with the answer, and it should be what? True or false? It will be false. Okay, because as you know, only mammals feed their babies with their own milk, right, children? So all animals do not feed their babies with their own milk, right? So it is false. Next, a frog goes through 4 stages in its life cycle. Yes, there are 4 stages in the life cycle of a frog. True. The larva of a butterfly is called a nymph. Tell me. Just now only we revised about the larva of a butterfly. So butterfly of a larva is called nymph or not? No. Nymph is the larva of a cockroach. Okay, so larva of a butterfly is not called nymph, so it is again false. Next one, if reproduction does not happen, life on earth will not continue. Tell me. Yes, it is a very basic question, right? If reproduction does not happen, life on the earth will not continue. Okay, because life continues because reproduction happens. But if it doesn't happen, so life will not be able to continue. Okay, so this is true, right, children? Okay, so once again I'll show you the slide with the correct answers. Okay, these are the correct answers. All animals feed their babies with their own milk. False. A frog goes through 4 stages in its life cycle. True. The larva of a butterfly is called a nymph. False. If reproduction does not happen, life on earth will not continue. This is very true. Right, children? So, here I take your leave, and here I'll end this session. In the next session, again we are going to revise the whatever little portion is remaining of this lesson, that we are going to revise, and we are also going to do some activity. Till then, keep on revising and take care. I'll leave. Thank you.